Have you ever asked yourself, how do companies like Netflix or Airbnb store and manage massive amounts of data without running out of space? The answer lies in cloud storage. And one of the most trusted cloud storage solutions in the world is Amazon S3 Simple Storage Service by AWS. S3 is Amazon's solution for storing data in the cloud. It's like a virtual hard drive, only it's infinitely scalable, incredibly secure, and available 24/7. Whether it's images, videos, documents, logs, or backups, S3 lets you upload, access, and manage data with just a few clicks or API calls. Here's how it works. You create a container called a bucket, and you upload your files into it. These files are stored as objects. Each object has a unique key and metadata, which makes it easy to organize and retrieve. S3 is built to handle millions of files, and it automatically replicates data across multiple locations to ensure durability and high availability. S3 is used by developers, data scientists, and businesses to host websites, store mobile app data, create backups, and even run big data analytics. The best part? You only pay for the storage you actually use with no upfront costs. So whether you're building an app, launching a business, or just curious about the cloud, Amazon S3 is your gateway to scalable, flexible storage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AWS tips.